Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Miguel EDC and we talk everything EDC gear here in this channel. That's right, I was absolutely skeptical a little bit. I'm like, wait a second, that probably isn't a CJRB. It is a GiantMouse knife. So shout out to Lefty EDC for his knife pass around. And this one right here is called the Bleecker, right? The GiantMouse ACE line Bleecker here, right? We have titanium blasted titanium handles on this one. It is a frame lock, nice contour and rounded edges here with a matching titanium backspacer. There's your lanyard solution, wire pocket clip, which is reversible, and a very narrow profile. A little bit of narrow profile with a little bit of curvature, opening hole as your one deployment and one deployment only. So without further ado, bam, right there it is, right? There it is. Check out the blade on this thing. Holy smokes. Now, pretty narrow, not very tall blade, flat grind with Magna cut steel, everyone's favorite premium steel these days. And it's got kind of like a borderline satin finish. Yeah, satin finish going on this one. Again, full flat. And I want to say a little bit of a Persian, right? Trailing point right here, right? Kind of curves up a little bit. So it's got them trailing point, right? Sort of vibes to it. It is, again, a frame lock. And we do have, let's see, decent access to the lock bar. Not necessarily the most access in the world, but you can get at it right here, push down into the left, right, and disengage that way. By the way, we have, what is this, about a maybe 40-ish, 35-ish% of the lockup right there, right? And again, they got a steel insert for steel on steel contact for longevity right there. Let's see, as I disengage, oh yeah, a little bit of a shake shutter. I think this guy is on washers, if I'm not mistaken. Future me double check. Doesn't feel like bearings. Feels more like washers on this one. And yeah, the thumb deployment there is money.
Money!
Yeah, feels nice. Can I reverse flick this guy? Ooh, I was expecting that to be a little bit more challenging. They did a cutout here on the lock bar, so that definitely helps. And we can get at it. The hole is not very large, but yeah, don't insert any jokes there. the hole is not very large, but yeah, still able to get my fingernail in there for the Spidey flick. But definitely the thumb deployment is definitely where it's at, 100%. So, of course, you got the iconic little jimping right here towards the front. So, no jimping back here, but when you grip on the handle, right, you can rest your thumb there, get a little bit more control on your cuts and whatnot. By the way, the Argos on this thing are really, really good. It definitely feels nice and comfortable on hand. Do feel the pocket clip, because the pocket clip itself is about 55-60% of the handle surface. But again, not too bad, a good 9 out of 10. It is reversible for lefties out there, so that's good. And yeah, even with my average size hands, again, not the biggest of hands or smallest of hands, I'm able to get a full purchase right there. All right, let's see here, reverse grip, that feels good. Friday night gas station fighting grip if you're a lefty, that feels good too. The Pakal grip, right, that also feels nicely as well. So, I mean, all in all, definitely feels really nice right here. For EDC use, right, not too heavy, not too light. We do have a little bit of, quite a bit of milling going on the inside, even though the scales are pretty narrow. There's still a little bit of milling going on inside of there. Stress relief cut out on the outside. And, you know, just a very straightforward frame lock design, but done very, very elegantly. Like, of course, GiantMouse definitely knows how to do. So this one is actually assembled. It's actually built in Maniago, Italy. Hopefully I'm saying that right. So it is Italy made, which is very, very interesting. So definitely some quality parts and premium materials made in Italy. So that's nice. A little bit of a shift, right, for change. So not US made, not Chinese made, but Italian made. So got to dig at that. And from what I read, they're going for the sort of gentleman's sleek folder right here, right? They definitely want a sleek, very narrow design, very gentleman kind of knife. I think it definitely fits that, you know, bill right there, if you ask me. So absolutely digging it so far, making a great impression. But you know, we are going to get scientific with it here. Magna cut steel, all right, feeling nice and toothy right there. Let's get the 5x zoom for some extra scientific points. There we go. Can I get a bite? There we go. Maybe angle the knife down a little bit. All right, now we're definitely getting a bite on that paper, no doubt about it. And full slices. Oh yeah. Now keep in mind, this one has seen, you know, it's round here to the lefty knife pass around. Again, shout out to Lefty for the opportunity. But I mean, yeah, as far as paper, Still doing pretty good there, right? No surprises at all. As far as a piece of cardboard, I got a single wall piece of cardboard, nothing fancy. Cutting at a diagonal angle like this for better performance. And it's going to look something like this. Oh yeah. Now keep in mind, right, you do have some belly, and the belly even trails up even more given the trail point nature of the blade. So you have to kind of stay in the cut to avoid, right, sort of trailing off like that. That way you can keep the cut going. You do have quite a lengthy cutting path. So going to a sideboard right here, right, in a pinch, definitely could destroy some cardboard. Probably not going to be your trash a day cardboard destroyer, dedicated cardboard destroyer, but definitely can do that, no doubt, with this steel. By the way, the HRC on this thing is 62 HRC on that Magna Cut steel. So that is absolutely quite something right there, 62 HRC. And you guys rate this thing in the comments on a scale from 1 through 10, right? How sharp is it? How much of an edge has it retained? You guys let me know. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Either this one or this one. Peace.